Oh, those are. Oh, he got him! Ah! Oh! That is a stud! Oh, that is so high!
Take him!
That's bright.
That is really bright. Can you dim this thing? Reaching out. How do you dim? Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Bah, bah, bah. So good. So good. So good. So good.
Alright guys, we're out here, it's Thursday, before school here. Found this spot last night, little public spot, in the middle of a section. It's kind of hidden, but there's like, I don't know, 300-400 mallards, some pintails, maybe a few gadwall too, but mostly mallards. And just me and Dave this morning. Dave's doing the wader hop right now, but yeah, it's before daylight savings, so we didn't even really have to wake up that early, like 5:30 or something.
7 right now.
So it's like 7, and we still have 37 minutes till shooting light. So we're gonna walk in there and get set up, and we'll show you guys the spread when we get in there, and we'll see you at shooting light.
That was nice.
Old skipper.
Look at all. Where are the drakes?
Kill him. Go down.
Yep.
Back left here, big group. Oh, did you get him? Oh, what was that?
I think it's a gadwall.
Caddy? Nice.
Sick. Holy.
Oh. He's dead.
He's giving him a gift.
There you go.
There you go. Almost didn't get that.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did. Look at the feathers.
Oh boy. Oh, right here. Oh, that was so fast. Ah, dick. Was there? Ready?
Sploosh.
Splish splash.
Oh, 2. Oh!
Like that? You like that? At Carlson's Cremator?
There we go.
What are we at now?
8.
8? Let's go. Should I shoot him?
Yep.
Get Get back in. Give me one more. You like that? That was kind of a far shot.
You like that?
Okay, too low right here. I don't know what they are. They appear to be.
I just want to talk to him. I just
want
want
to
to
take some
talk
pictures. Oh,
to him. Get that one.
oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Those came from so high. Oh, you better put another one in that thing. Oh, dick.
Oh no. I don't mind where I am.
Oh boy. Okay. This front one.
Can hear the pig
Yep.
though.
Oh, those are. Oh, he got him. Oh, oh, that is a stud. Oh, that is so high.
Oh my god!
Look at that one.
That's a stud! Wow.
What do you think of that? Oh. That's a pretty nice pintail.
Oh.
What's up? Look at his back.
FaceTime.
We just limited. You want to see a pintail Dave just finished the limit with?
Yeah.
Oh my.
He shot it. I got video of all that. He shot it like right over top. Just folded him.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
All right, guys. Well, here's our pile for the day. Got a blue wing. That's kind of crazy for this time of year, but then a bunch of
janky.
yeah. He's a little greasy. Bunch of green wings. Some there. What was that? Was that a rooster in the background? I don't know. Somebody's cooking back there. But we got a green head. Beautiful pintail. This thing's pretty dang sweet. And then some gaddies, hen widgeon, and a young pintail. Long neck right there. But yeah, pretty dang good little two-man. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in for the next one.
Stick with us. Stay tuned. You won't be pissed.
Wee.